Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding character. Power is really a test of character. In the hands of a person of integrity, it is of tremendous benefit. In the hands of a tyrant, it causes terrible destruction. People of character do the right thing not because they think it will change the world, but because they refuse to be changed by the world. It's been said, "Who you are speaks so loudly I can't hear a word you say." Knowledge, money, and influence may give you power. However, character will give you respect. No matter how educated, talented, or rich you are, how you treat people ultimately tells all one needs to know. Remember, your character is often revealed in how you speak about others. So, when it comes to character, try having some rather than just being one. As it turns out, most wisecracks aren't so wise. Enjoy the day.